What's up guys, this is Amit and today I'm unboxing the Dell Inspiron 13 7000. So as mentioned in the title, this is the 13 7000 2-in-1, which means it's a convertible laptop, so you are able to use it in the laptop mode or in tablet mode as well. And as you can see from the packaging, this doesn't come in very fancy packaging like the Dell XPS does. That's because this is the entry-level laptop from Dell. So straight away in the box I can see there's the charging cable with the brick. This is Dell's proprietary charging socket. Shame that they don't use the USB Type-C charging, but again, like I said, this is an entry-level laptop, so that is to be expected. Just keep that aside for now. Let's check that there. And if I just get this guy out, so like I said, it doesn't come in fancy packaging. So if you've seen the unboxing of Dell XPS laptops, you would see that it has a box of its own, whereas in the Inspiron you straight away get the laptop itself. I'm gonna come back to this in a second. Let's look at what else we have in the box. So you get the quick start guide, Inspiron 13 7000 2-in-1. You also get some more documentation, the warranty and whatnot, and that's pretty much what you get in the box. So let me just chuck the box aside for now, and then we can look at the laptop itself. In terms of spec, I've gone with a very basic i5 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 GB solid state drive. So the processor in this one is the Core i5-8250U, which is the 8th generation quad-core processor with 6 MB of cache, and the RAM in this one is 8 GB. Like I said, it's the DDR4 RAM, so it runs at 2400 MHz, and it's got a 256 GB solid state drive. Let's have a look at the interior. As you can see, it comes with this sort of protection for the screen. Let's just get rid of that one. In terms of design, it is actually very sleek. It's got very thin bezels on the sides here. The top one, as you can see, is a bit thicker than the side ones, but it's still pretty bezel-less, I would call it. It's not as tiny as the XPS range, but then again, this is an entry-level laptop, so that is to be expected. The good thing about the Dell Inspiron range is that it still has the webcam at the top here. It also supports Windows Hello, so you could log in with facial recognition, unlike the Dell XPS range, which, because of the very thin bezels at the top, they have had to move the camera to the bottom. In terms of resolution, this is a full HD screen, so it is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, and of course it is touch enabled since this is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop. In terms of the rest of the design, let me just put this back in, and I think it's quite impressive for an entry-level laptop, and for the price I paid. This is very sleek, very lightweight, and I believe this is made, the body is made from aluminum, so it should be very durable, and it definitely feels and looks like a good quality laptop. It also comes with a good selection of ports, which we can look at now. So let's start with the left hand side. You get obviously the charging port. You also have a USB Type-C, and next to it you have an HDMI port and a USB Type-A, followed by the headphone jack. And on the other side you have the normal SD card reader, which is very useful, and then you also have another USB Type-A port along with the Kensington lock. So I think that wraps up the quick unboxing video of the Dell Inspiron 13 7000. Let me know what you guys think about this laptop, or specifically about this spec. Have you already got this laptop? What are your experiences? Is there any tips and tricks you would recommend? So leave those comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.